I feel like spilling the beans on MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus account. Is this fake or real? Well, let's just do it. Let's have a conversation about that. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweaty Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus. And this is the whole thing is we want to know if this is legit or this is just another scam. Let me give you an overview here. So when we talk about credit builder loan, we're speaking about loans that you apply for, you get approved, but you don't have access to the funds. For example, if you get $5,000 in a credit builder loan, the loan is put into a savings account or a CD, but you have to make payments. At the end of those payments, you are given back the proceeds of the loan. That's how it works. It works in a reverse way, okay? So with MoneyLion, you get loans of up to $1,000. So we're not speaking about majestic amounts here. We're speaking about, minor amounts, $1,000. Obviously, they're trying to cover their ass. It's all about risk mitigation, so they will give you a small amount. That makes sense. And the Credit Builder Plus will cost you about $20 a month. There are no overdraft or hidden fees. There is no minimum balance, but they do offer also personal loans up to $500. So those are unsecured loans. Those are not credit builder loans. Those are just the regular loans, okay? And you have $0 account fees for ATMs and overdrafts. And the premium investment accounts have a no minimum deposit required. And you have up to 12% cash back on purchases. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that MoneyLion is really a fintech company. So they do have a credit builder loan, but they also have a mobile banking platform. So basically, if you get the loan, if you get a credit builder loan through them, you have access to a wider constellation of rewards and perks and other solutions. Okay, they do have interest-free cash advances. They do have banking. You can also use them in terms of your paycheck deposits. You can use them also for managed investing, cashback rewards, and financial tracking and education. So we love that. Okay, they are currently in New York City. They're based in New York City. They have about 6 to 7 million users nationwide. And what we love about, so here are the products offered by MoneyLion. So you have they have the raw money investment accounts, the Credit Builder Plus. This is what we are reviewing in today's conversation. They have the Instacash Advance, and they have the MoneyLion Crypto. Big decision time. Let me ask you a question. Are you interested in the Credit Builder account, or are you interested in other products that MoneyLion is offering? Talk to me about that. Okay, because honestly, they do. If you are in a situation where you need to build or rebuild credit, this could be interesting. The only question is, are you willing to pay $20 a month for this service? Let me talk to you about the pros and cons. So when we speak about the MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus account, the product is great for people looking to boost their credit. I just said it. If your credit is currently in the 500 or 600 or even lower, you might want to consider this product. And if you want to trade cryptocurrency, I know this has nothing to do with credit building, but I'm just telling you, if you are out there listening to me and you are interested in trading cryptocurrency, you might want to try MoneyLion. And this product is also great for anyone who wants to integrate their bank, investment, and installment loan accounts. So if you're in that kind of category, MoneyLion could be a good solution for you. What are the pros and cons here? Cryptocurrency features and prices. So we're currently in an era of crypto. Everybody's making money or seems to be making money. So if you are the kind of person or you want to sort of learn more about it, MoneyLion could be a good place for you to start with. They do have integrated digital personal financial services, and the platform is mostly free to use with no account minimums. The few fees charged are low in cost. They do have customizable investment portfolios, and they have useful services like credit builder loans and 0% APR cash advances. What about the cons? No dedicated financial planning or financial advisor, and they have no IRA or 401k management options. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Besides the credit builder loan I was talking to you earlier, MoneyLion has other products. For instance, they have the InstaCash product. Here you get no interest cash advances up to $250 from the convenience of your MoneyLion app, okay? And you can apply to InstaCash by linking an eligible checking account. And to qualify, your accounts need to be at least 2 months old, have a history of regular deposits, show a positive balance, and be visibly active, okay? You also need to verify your identity and account ownership. So this is kind of cool. And so to request a cash advance, you just need to tap request in your app. So this is kind of similar to a payday loan. The only thing is that it's cheaper, and they don't charge you the very high APR that you sometimes have with payday loan apps or low payday lenders. And you also have, so the Credit Builder Plus is kind of cool. Maximum amount $1,000, and this is maximum maturity 12 months. So you have to pay them back over 12 months, and once you're done, you can actually get your cash. I want to dig a little deeper here into the Credit Builder, because this is basically the main subject of today's conversation. So let's talk about the MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus account. So in order to use MoneyLion services, you need to have a MoneyLion account. This is very important. So MoneyLion allows you can create a free account, and you may choose to add other free services such as InstaCash advances or paid services such as Credit Builder Plus. And the Plus will cost you $20. I already said it. And it includes a credit builder loan, credit monitoring, and access to other services. So you're not just paying $20 a month to access the credit builder loan. You have other services, okay? And you got to be 18 years old and have a bank account in order to register for a MoneyLion account. So once you create the account, you can go to the MoneyLion login and get access to all the services. Credit card, credit card, credit card. Do you need a credit card? If you need a credit card, this is not the right place to get it, but by getting the Credit Builder Plus account started and improving your credit score, you can get credit cards at better rates in the future, okay? So the Credit Builder Plus membership is a proven credit building plan. So you are able to get your payments reported to all 3 credit bureaus to help build your credit score. This is kind of cool because there are services that do not report to all 3 credit bureaus, and we love the fact that MoneyLion does report to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is kind of cool. And you have credit monitoring and tracking 24/7 in the app, so you can stay on top of progress and view your score anytime. And one other thing I want to say here is that you have to understand, folks, at the end of the day, credit affects so many areas of your life, from loans to insurance to housing. So establishing a great score is essential. It is quintessential. And this is what the Credit Builder app, the Credit Builder Plus app, helps you do, okay? And obviously, the whole thing is that the Credit Builder loan works in a very similar way, in a very easy way. You apply for the loan, no hard credit check, okay? They're not pulling your credit. Maximum loan amount to $1,000. You pay over 12 months. For example, if you get $600, you'll be paying $50 every month. You need to set up automatic loan repayments timed to your pay cycle for easy, manageable payments. You build credit history with each on-time payment, okay? And you unlock your savings after building credit. So you receive the funds from your credit reserve account to spend however you want to wait after you pay off the full amount. Very important. What kind of reviews do we have when we talk about MoneyLions? Are the reviews positive? Are they negative? Are they for real? What do you think? Well, I'll tell you one thing, and we have done a lot of research here. our general opinion is that MoneyLion is a great company. They have a great app, they have a great service, and they are catering to a segment of the population that needs help in terms of building their credit. So this is commendable, definitely. And what we saw also is that the company cares about customer feedback. Okay, a lot of positive comments from people who have benefited from the companies are available online. And whenever an issue was brought to MoneyLion's attention, they addressed it quickly and responded with the proposed solution to the problem. So this is really good. So big decision time here. Does that convince you to try the service? Maybe yes, maybe no. But one thing I can tell you is that this is a solid service. They have excellent customer service. They do provide live chat support. They have you can actually contact them through the app itself. Also, they have a chatbot feature for simple questions. You can contact them through phone support or the website. This is kind of cool, okay? And our score of MoneyLion is 9.5 over 10. Stellar company. And our review was, our rating was corroborated, was confirmed by reviews on Trustpilot. On Trustpilot, they garnered an excellent score of 4.7 over 5 from 24,573 people as of the date of this show. And on Wallet Hub, they garnered 4.6 over 5 from 1,885 people. Love how fast they are responsive. Check out their answer to this negative review on Trustpilot. Just look on the screen right now. They are really fast. So we love that. And here is another one. So anytime they have a sort of a negative situation, they address it ASAP. This is what you want. You want a company that pays attention to customers. And there are more positive reviews. In the Apple's App Store, they received 4.7 over 5 from 81,200 reviews. This is wonderful. And in Google's Play Store, they have received 4.5 over 5 from 60,700 reviews. This is just wonderful. So those this kind of reviews, we rarely see them, and we believe that MoneyLion really deserves them. They run the company properly, and so if you're interested in their loan in the Credit Builder Plus account, go ahead and use them, and this can help you build credit. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. I want to talk to you now about the features. Folks, welcome back to another section of the Awesome Sweaty Kiwi Show. We are still doing an in-depth review of MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus account. And I want to talk to you about some features that you might love, okay? With MoneyLion, you can set up direct deposit. So remember though, that MoneyLion is a fintech company, not a bank. So basically, you can actually create an account. There's something called, they call it raw money. So, MoneyLion, you want to raw, right? So the raw money is powered by MetaBank, which is a member of FDIC. So your cash is insured up to $250,000. So they have several products. So they have Instacash, you have investing, and they have rounds up. So you can invest your spare change from your purchases into your investment account. And with Instacash, you can actually make 2 recurrent direct deposit to your raw money account and unlock up to $1,000 0% APR cash advances. Okay, and so I want to show you quickly. They also have mobile banking. This is kind of cool, also. Okay, and one thing, and this is another product in comparison to Safety Net. I don't know if I showed you the Safety Net product before. So Safety Net. Now we have mobile banking. With mobile banking, you have a lot of you have technology that is going to help you manage your credit, okay? And you also have cashback rewards. So this is actually a debit card / credit card, and it allows you to earn cash rewards with raw money, and you get rewarded for any time you use the card. And this card can be either physical or virtual. So the more you shop, the more rewards you will get, okay? And you could earn up to $500 every day just by shaking your phone. I mean, they basically actually are encouraging people to actually spend money. That's all it is, So, but again, it's totally up to you to know if you're interested or not, if this is good for your credit or not, and whether or not this is great for you in terms of financial discipline. We don't think so, but this is a call you have to make personally. And we love the fact that this MoneyLion in general has zero hidden fees. They really have to be commended for transparency in terms of pricing. Okay, they are able to actually keep prices very low and be very transparent about how much customers have to pay. And for most of their services, you pay nothing. You really don't pay anything. Let me talk to you about investing. So folks, obviously this show is about MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus account, but I want to talk to you quickly about some other services that MoneyLion offers that you might find interesting. Big decision time. Big decision time. Are you into crypto? Or do you have some cash on the side and you want to have, are you risk averse or a risk taker? Talk to me about that. Because if you are a risk taker, you might want to try crypto through MoneyLion. Okay, so you have an easy and convenient way for everyone to access crypto through MoneyLion. You can buy and sell popular cryptocurrencies whenever you want. You can route up your spare change into Bitcoin with crypto rounds up. I talked about that before. Okay, and we love the fact that they've made it very easy for even beginners to buy, sell, and hold crypto 24/7. You don't have to wait for the New York Stock Exchange to open or the Tokyo Stock Exchange to open. No, you can buy, sell, or hold crypto 24/7. They also have a service that we love. But before I even talk about that service, one thing you need to understand is that the crypto service, the MoneyLion crypto service, is powered by Zero Hash. Okay, so Zero Hash is a great player. It's actually a great way to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency with just a push of a button on the MoneyLion app. So MoneyLion is a fintech company. They're not a bank. They're not a brokerage. So they basically partner with third parties to bring you those services. MoneyLion, so besides MoneyLion crypto, you also have automated investing. So you can invest using MoneyLion with no maintenance fees and no balance. And they do have a great tool that we love. It's called Risk Slider. You can basically select a portfolio designed based on your unique risk tolerance and investment time horizon. Okay, that's why I was asking you earlier, are you a risk taker or are you risk averse? So your risk tolerance will dictate what kind of a tool you go with. Okay, but this tool is kind of cool because you enjoy personalized, customizable portfolio designs. You have fully automated investing and dynamic rebalancing. You have thematic investing. So in other words, you can tailor your asset allocation around your investment priorities, such as focusing on socially responsible investing. Okay, if that's what you want to have. And one thing we love is that they also have personalized financial tracking and education. Okay, so they have a financial heartbeat. This is a fitness tracker for your finances. So overall, this is a great tool. I want to talk to you now about the application, folks. How do you apply for this MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus account? First of all, you have to apply online. So you can basically, you go to the website, to the MoneyLion website, and you have to create an account first. Of course, you have to create an account. You can create an account through the website or the mobile app, and you have to sign up with your full name and email address. And after signing up, you can apply for a Credit Builder Plus membership and request a Credit Builder loan. So you'll need your full name and address, social security number, address, phone number, and bank account. So I'm showing you on the screen here the link you have to click on to sign up. And you can see on the screen here they ask for your email address, and then you click next. Next, they want you to put your name, so you put your first name, last name. Click next, and they want you to set your password. Click next. You just have to click create accounts. It takes some time to rebalance things, and just click let's go. And then you have to they ask for your date of birth. You put that in and you click next. One thing I want to say, folks, I'm sure you have already figured this out, but all the data here is fictitious. All right, so you click next, and now they're asking you your address. So you put your address, your city, your zip, your state, and click next. So basically, we had to stop here because they were asking for a mobile phone number, and the thing here is that we don't want to give the real phone number of anybody in our team when trying to apply for this kind of loans or credit cards. And this is because we basically don't want to damage our own credit history, but also we want to respect the people working at those financial institutions. Okay, so we had to stop here, but if you enter your info, what will happen here is that MoneyLion will send you a text message with a code. You have to use that code you have to enter in here so they can verify your identity. And after that, you have to pay the $19.99 per month. You have to sign up for the Credit Builder Plus account, and you have to make the payments either through credit card or through a bank wire or whatever. So once you do this, you are in. So after you're in, you can basically apply for the Credit Builder loan, and they will let you know how much you got approved for. Remember, the maximum is $1,000. Just have to be approved for it and make the payments over 12 months, and that's it. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I really appreciate it. I was talking to you today about the MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus account, and this was an in-depth review. So I gave you an overview, the pros and cons, the Credit Builder account, the customer reviews, the features of this account, the investing products that they have, and last but not the least, the application process. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.